Is this a restaurant? Wait, on a train? But we're on a cruise ship. Come with us as we take a journey to the Wild West. And we are going to give you a spoiler free review of this amazing immersive dining experience.
All right, these are your welcome drinks, guys. Non-alcoholic drinks. Cherry tea. And this is what we Jeremiah elixir with moonshine. Moonshine is the alcoholic drink.
Thank you.
Good. Moonshine.
We have one more.
One more. Right, folks.
Now this is a friendly reminder. This is a 75-minute train ride to Grand Junction. If you need to use the facilities, now is the time. But if you're feeling set, we're going to be loading train car number 24, tables 9 through 16. Please do follow me. Tim, wonderful. That's just right here. Numbers are above. I mean, it's good. First time joining us? Yeah, too much. Hope y'all enjoy yourselves. Tickets, please. I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to step off.
Well, you could ask, but the problem is, I'm the conductor.
Well, looks like we got some important cargo aboard the Royal Railway today. Wonder what's in it.
My name is Max.
Want me to take this out or you are still working on that?
I'm still working.
Is anybody here afraid of snakes?
No.
Not good. There's nothing to worry about anyway.
Mama ladies, here you got the blue cheese patches, white rice and cranberry, dry fruit and nuts, spicy crackers from the top, along with caramelized onion, garlic butter, pimento cheese butter with the cream cheese. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Well, holy cow! Scratch that, folks. I just heard that beef is back on the menu. There he is.
Malaria empanada trio. And pardon our beans, open the window. Firework in the house. With the rye bread on this side. And here we got the corn chowder soup. I'm coming with the chicken.
Thank you.
I'm somebody else. Hey! You're that conductor Rowdy's impersonating. Rowdy, is that you?
No. Storm clearing and we got a scoop. Okay, whoop. Yeah, never do get used to that. All right, you're having today, eh? Woo.
interruption.
Not at all. We invite all our passengers to explore the train.
I know all about your little plan. Move the royal blade. Tell the bandits about it. It's cute. Almost worked too.
Passing through. TNT passing through. Heavy TNT. Passing.
Everybody, brace yourselves! Does bring out her eyes. Now this is Gummy. Full name.
So that was just a taste of the Royal Railway experience aboard Utopia of the Seas. No spoilers here. You'll have to ride it yourself to see where the journey goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hop aboard for more prescribed adventure.